and welcome to City News. I'm Jennifer Murillo. The South Bay City's Council of Governments and Southern California Regional Network awarded Zela Davis Elementary for their students' conservation efforts. We visited their school to bring you the details. Zela Davis Elementary was one of 3 schools from the South Bay and the only school in Hawthorne to earn $5,000 through the SoCalREN Kids for Kids program.
We are so excited and we're very proud of, again, just everybody working together for such a good cause.
$5,000 is a lot, so yes, that is so nice.
5 third-grade classrooms participated in the program that taught students the importance of energy efficiency by taking home this kit with a nightlight, faucet aerator, efficient shower head, and LED light bulbs, and incorporated any or all items into their daily lives at home.
How do we design a program that not only benefits the environment, but also the schools and supports them so that they advocate for climate change and resiliency?
They make a big impact for the classroom because if 65% of the students participate within this program and bring back a postcard that says they installed these items, the teacher receives a $1,000 grant.
Participating in Kids for Kids is not only a program sent home, but is also integrated with their academic curriculum and what they are learning at school.
This program is super cool because when I first got the kit, my auntie was like, I like this light bulb because it also helps us not use a lot of technology, and the kit also helped us not take a long time in the shower.
Installing the nightlight, it really helped because when we had our first nightlight, we really left it on there like for a long time. So it really helped us.
I think I was most excited about the knowledge transfer that they had about, what types of energy. They understood that climate change at such a young age is an issue and a crisis, and how the different aspects of what they do in everyday life impacts that.
This is the second year Zela Davis participates in this program, and they plan to continue to do so again in the future, as it has helped their students and the school in more ways than one. To learn more about the Kids for Kids program and to participate, visit their website at SoCalREN.org/Kids for Kids.